tell the Cronin. We need to whip you into shape. Are you Mary or a mouse? Perfect. Perfect. No, you look gorgeous. You look lovely. Caroline, Caroline, calm down. Caroline, calm down. We're going to be late now. Come on.
Ah, come on.
No.
Come on.
No, the car will start.
What do you mean the car will start?
I won't start, Caroline. Just,
I can't be late. I can't.
Run. Where is she? She's so late.
Here.
Oh, thank God, are you ready?
Can you dance?
There's no time. Come on, go!
I try my best, pass on my test, but you don't seem to see. I'm the boy for a girl like you, and you can set me free. I don't swear when I brush my hair and wear my school tie straight, but you treat me like just another kid when we're standing at the gate. You let your feelings be known to me when I fell and grazed my knee. I was crying, you gave me a hug and kissed me on the cheek. From that day I have to say I knew you were the one, but you said I'm playing hard to get. I've only just begun. Oh, kiss me, Mary.